Alright guys, today we are going to be talking about this beautiful, beautiful mushroom here. This is a turkeytail. Now you can look at the shape of it and the colors of it and guess why it's called turkeytail. It's Trametes versicolor, often referred to as T versicolor. This mushroom grows kind of like a shelf fungus, grow on deciduous trees. They're composters. They have medicinal benefits from Polysaccharide-K extract that's found inside of them, that's used in a variety of treatments, including some cancers. This is something that we researched pretty extensively with Crestin. It didn't prove fruitful in her case, but maybe it can help some others. Now there are a couple of lookalikes. The false turkeytail. Look at that beautiful display of mushrooms there. Pretty sure that's a false turkeytail. And a few other lichen type mushrooms and shelf mushrooms that kind of look like it, but there's things that you can look at to see it for sure. One, there is always going to be brown, light brown rings, and the outside margins are always going to be the lightest. Now the false turkeytail sort of obeys some of those rules, except that it's rusty and it has a little bit of a stem to it. Turkeytail will not have any stem to it. If we take a look at it, at the bottom side, turkeytail will also have pores. Instead of gills to release its spores, it just has a pore surface that releases similar to a bolete. Now you see that it's very thin, usually 1 to 3 centimeters thick. It's got a leathery texture. There's often black rings in it, and sometimes if algae gets on it, it will have green rings also. That is the algae, not the turkeytail itself. You see the shape there. You can tell why it got the nickname turkeytail mushroom. You see the concentric rings there, working from the center to the margins, and the outside margins will always be the lightest. It's a beautiful, beautiful mushroom here. There's a lot of different ways to tincture this mushroom or take the extracts from this mushroom, from teas to alcohol extractions. Anything that you can suspend the polysaccharide-Ks in, and what you draw it out with will also have some dictation on how long it will last. Tinctures can last for a very long time. I'm not so sure that teas can, right? It's seems like it would go bad relatively fast, but tinctures are usually way more concentrated, and they usually, I mean, I don't know, I've seen tinctures keep for a very, very, very long time. So it's and when we use these, we would use them in a tea, and of course that would be finished or thrown out. But the tinctures, once you make them, you can keep them for a very long time. There is tons and tons of information on this, and several case studies that can be read about the turkeytail mushroom, or the Trametes versicolor mushroom. It's yeah, this guy's really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be back with more content just like this. See you guys. Do well.